Hi, this is a quick video on how to do a refund. Simply come to WooCommerce and orders. It'll show you a list of all your orders here. You go into the order that you want to refund, open it up. You'll have all the information there for the client. You simply click the refund button here, and then you will select the item that you want to refund. Sometimes orders can have 6 or 7 items on them, but you only want to refund one of the items. In this case, we are going to refund this one item here. It's automatically pulled in the amount over there. What we'll need to do is add in a reason for the refund, which is optional. It's nice just to put there if you ever want to track. I'll just say client cancelled order. And then you have 2 refund options. One which is refund manually. This basically means that you have made a note on the system that this product and order has been refunded. However, you will manually need to go into your bank account and do a manual transfer. Or alternatively, if you're using Stripe or PayPal, in this case you're using Stripe, you would simply click the button here that says refund the amount of money via Stripe, and you would click that, and then Stripe would handle the refund. It would go through, and it normally takes, Stripe normally puts the money back into the user's account within 3 to 5 days. It's pretty quick. But from your end, all you do is hit that button, and then the system will automatically refund. It'll change the status here to refunded, and that's it.